how to hide pages on Google Sites. This is a simple but useful skill that helps streamline your site's navigation and control what visitors see. Whether you're building a professional portfolio, a business site, or a personal project, sometimes you need certain pages accessible only to you while keeping them hidden from the main menu. Start by opening your Google Sites editor. On the right-hand side, click the Pages tab. This is where you manage your site's structure and see all your existing pages. Next, find the page you want to hide. Hover over it, and 3 vertical dots will appear. Click these dots to open a menu, then select Hide from Navigation. This removes the page from your main menu, but it doesn't delete the page. It remains accessible via its direct URL, and you can still link to it from buttons or hyperlinks. Hiding pages is great for keeping your site organized, especially for content not ready for public viewing or pages relevant only in certain contexts. If you ever want to make the page visible again, just click the 3 dots and select Show in Navigation. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a page on Google Sites, giving you more control over your site's appearance and user experience.